Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this form. Pow, X, and N. I assume N is an integer. And if it is, it's pretty... Oh, negative. Wait, negative? Huh. That's kind of awkward. Huh. I actually didn't expect the negative part, so... But... That's not so bad, right? So, yeah. So we just have to kind of go for the cases, but we can do this either recursively or iteratively. It doesn't really, it should be okay because the core idea is not binary search, but repeated doubling. And part of that is going to be log n. And so, log n is going to, log n obviously just like goes by really fast, right? For like 2 to the 32 is 32 recursion steps. So I don't really worry about performance with respect to the recursion or iteration, even though it'll be probably tail recursion, so it'll be pretty straightforward. But yeah, so then this just becomes a case of, well, going for the cases, right? So yeah, let's just do if n is equal to 0. Then we return 1, right? That's just base case. If n is less than 0, then we return 1 over my pal. Is it my self dot my pal of x to the, I guess in this case, negative n, but maybe I don't know if this is easier to read, but I don't know, right? Otherwise, then now, assuming that it is positive, because that's the only case left, then we have 2 cases, right? If it's odd or even. So if it's even, then it's easy. Or maybe I'll write it this way. Right? And then we return, right? And I'm just double checking to see whether it can overflow or not. That's but apparently it's within 10 to the 4th, so it should be okay. And yes, you can overflow doubles, or floats. So you have to be careful. But yeah, otherwise then now this is going to be odd. So then and is I guess we can take this out here. Oops. Right, and then now we just return p times n, right? And the way that maybe I didn't go over it that much, but the core idea is just if we have x to the n, that's equal to x to the n over 2 times x to the n over 2, and then we just kind of do it recursively. And of course, if n is positive, then you have x to the n for some n is equal to positive, then and we have n over 2, which rounds down, times x to the n over 2, which also rounds down. So yeah, I'm writing this in a little bit of awkward notation, but yeah, times another x, right? So that's basically the idea. Yeah, and why did I write n? I meant x. Wow, luckily I guess I'm explaining it, so that now we kind of go do it. But yeah, so that's basically the idea. Let's hopefully I get it right before I yeah. So that's pretty much it. Apparently back in the day I did it in C. Why did I get it in C? Oh, huh. Yeah. I had to cast it a long or something. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's silly. But yeah. Cool. Yeah, so what is the complexity here? Like I said, it's gonna be log n, but log n, remember, is not logarithmic time. Log in this particular case, because because when people say logarithmic time, it is logarithmic in the size of the input, right? And the size of the input is actually the number of bits, and because for every bit we do some constant number of operations, this is actually linear time, right? Because it takes log n number of bits to represent n number n, and it takes log n number oh man, I'm saying this weirdly, and it takes log n number of bits to represent a number n, and it takes log n number of time to run this algorithm. So you have log n yeah, so yeah, basically it's linear in the size of the input is what I'm trying to say. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Have a great week, everybody. Enjoy yourself. I did this one a little bit late, but yeah. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.